so I have a 2020 Volkswagen Passat with a 2-liter turbo here, and I really was trying to figure out how to make the turbo surge, compressor surge. And I took off the air filter, and of course that just let air flow free and go psh. I did that. I disconnected the mass airflow sensor. None of that didn't work. Took off the intake piping here. That didn't work. Disconnected. I don't even know what the hell this is. This goes to the top of the head. And then all it does is blow out from right there. So I found out that this is the diverter valve, and I unplugged that from there. It was kind of hard, but not that hard. It took 5 minutes. And now the turbo surges. It goes. So, quick listen here. All right. Yeah. Car community for a 2020 Volkswagen Passat isn't big. So I had to just figure it out on my own, and I did. So I'm helping somebody.